Hands and knees, bird dog. The purpose of this exercise in the outer core to keep the spine in neutral as the arm and the opposite leg move at the same time. Your setup position is quadruped, neutral spine. Your execution is that your arm and leg move at the same time very slowly and then return to the starting position. Common errors, as you can see in the video, is not moving at the arm and the leg at the same time. Make this easier by reducing how far you extend your arm and leg as shown in the beginning of the video. The more you extend and the more your knee moves, more muscles have to be working. So if you find that your back is arching, shorten the range of motion or keep your knee bent.